Good evening, family. How's everybody doing today on Tuesday? Hopefully, every single one of you guys had a wonderfully blessed day today with your loved ones, where you're at work, or doing whatever it was that you're doing in this magnificent world that we live in. This is your boy, Hamid G, coming at you to let you know what's going on in the wild, wild west of crypto land. And guys, it is the wild, wild west right now in crypto. You know what I mean, guys? So, none of this is financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, let's just dive right into the content. All right, guys. So, as you can see, the overall markets are down, right? Nothing but blood. Nothing but red, 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 right? Bitcoin broke that crucial level of 30K level of support. We're sitting at 29,830. We are down 3.38% for the day, which isn't good, but I'm still optimistic. I'm still bullish on crypto, digital assets, on Dogecoin and Bitcoin and the overall crypto markets, guys. I am a long-term investor. I truly believe in the Doge community and the technology that is behind cryptocurrency, and it's going to change the world, guys. And we're going to make life-changing wealth, right? If you continue to hodl and you continue to hold. You know what I mean? I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. All right, guys. Enough of Bitcoin. Let's just dive right into the main superstar. We got a lot to talk about. All right, guys. Dogecoin is currently sitting at 17 cents. We're down 2.4% for the day. Our 24-hour high is sitting at 17 cents, what we're currently at now, and our 24-hour low is at 16 cents. Market cap is sitting at $22.41 billion, and volume is sitting at, for the last 24 hours, is at $1.81 billion. Now, it's up just a tad bit, guys, because it was sitting at 1.03 yesterday, so it's up a little bit, so that's a good thing. All right, guys, now let's dive and look at the charts real quick, because we do have some levels, different levels of resistance and support, in my opinion. All right, we have dipped below our level of support. That 200-day moving average, right, was our level of support, but now it is currently acting as it's going to be a level of resistance, in my opinion, for now. So as you can see now, guys, I have a white line on the very bottom that is sitting at 0.1651, which is 16 cents. In my opinion, temporarily, this is our new level of support. We have found level pretty strong level of support at 16 cents area, guys. So for me, temporarily, 16 cents is the new level of support. And the 200-day moving average, which was our level of support, but we have flipped the trend. That is a technical term that just means what was your level of support is now acting as your level of resistance, right? Because the 200-day moving average was a very strong level of support, but now it is acting as a level of resistance. As you can see now, for 3 days now, guys, we have dipped below and we have not been able to break back above it, which isn't a good thing, right? So right now, in my opinion, things don't look too good for Dogecoin, but things don't look too good for the overall crypto markets in general, right? It's not nothing that Doge did. It's just the overall sentiment over cryptocurrency in general, right? There's a lot of FUD surrounding Bitcoin and just a lot of bearish sentiment, right? Which is affecting the overall markets, right? My conviction for Doge is still strong, and I still continue to be diamond hands and hodl. But all right, guys, this is the key takeaway. So temporarily for now, unless things change, 200-day moving average is now our level of resistance, which is at 18 cents, and 16 cents as our new level of support temporarily. All right, guys, so that's what I had for as far as the technicals go. You know what I mean? I like to keep it pretty simple, pretty beginner friendly. So let's get into some fundamentals here, right, guys? So now, guys, we had a grooming product from Axe. Now, before you guys dismiss this, right, this was a limited supply, right? It is no longer available to U.S. Citizens, right, guys, right? They gave away 1,000, right? This is basically like a momentum, right? Something to cherish and hold on to. So congratulations to the 1,000 Americans who got one of those, right? It might be worth, turn around and be a collector's item, it'd be worth lots of money down the road. So congrats to you guys, man. I'm a little jealous. But anyways, guys, now this can act as a positive catalyst. Why? I'll give you two reasons. One, this is a $2.5 billion company. It's no little chump change company, right, guys? This is a very big, well-known company throughout the world. Okay, that is one good catalyst. Now, two, publicity. Publicity, free publicity. Dogecoin is getting free publicity right now from Axe all across the world, and that acts as a positive catalyst. Now, you know what I mean, in my opinion. So that's why I wanted to share this, right? And some people might just be like, it's just a stupid can with the Doge on it, right? How can that act as a positive catalyst? Well, I gave you two main reasons, in my opinion, why it can act as a positive catalyst. Now let's just dive right into the article. It says on Tuesday, the company that owns the brand of male grooming products Axe announced the launch of a Dogecoin themed and crypto scented body spray. The release was limited, and currently the body spray featuring the image of the cartoon Shiba Inu is no longer available to U.S. citizens. Right, it says around 1,000 lucky Americans entered a giveaway of a limited edition Dogecoin themed body spray called the Dogecoin. The body spray was released by the brand of the male grooming products as a subsidiary of the firm. Unbeliever Axe scented are created for young males consumers, and Dogecoin product allegedly contains a crypto scent which lasted up to 48 hours. All right, guys, this is one of the lucky contestants. It's one, like I said, congrats to them, guys. You know what I mean? And this was circulating on Twitter, guys. Like, it was the main thing on Twitter. You know what I mean? It just goes to show you the power of the Dogecoin community. You know what I mean? So this is a positive catalyst, right, guys? In my opinion. You know what I mean? So now let's get into some more positive stuff here for Doge, right? Let's get into this article here. This is one that I was trying to share with you guys yesterday, but I couldn't find it, so I found it. Now it says Elon Musk reaffirms support for Dogecoin, changes profile picture. Doge, and then it goes to say Doge trading volume jumped 1,250% in Q2. Now, guys, as you can see, the picture of the Doge in his glasses. All right, guys, real quick, I just wanted to reiterate on this real quick, and I'm going to jump back into this, right, because it pertains to Q2. It says triple-digit gains. I know I talked about this, but I want to reiterate it because on how important it is and how far we've came. It says triple-digit gains make Dogecoin the top performer of Q2. It says recent reports from Coinmetrics reviewed the performance of Bitcoin and altcoins during Q2 2021, and the analysts found that even with the sharp May 19th market correction, many assets finished in the quarter in the green, with Dogecoin coming out on top as number one, guys, with 392% gains for Q2. It was the top dog of all the altcoins, right? Overtaking Bitcoin, Ethereum, right? It was number one for Q2 with 392 gains, guys. That is huge, right, guys? So now let's go back to this other article, right? Now, we had volume, right? So we had earnings of 392%, right? We were up 392%. And also, our volume is up 1,250% in Q2, right, guys? So we had a lot going for us in Q2 for Dogecoin, regardless of this crazy correction that's going on, right? So then the article goes on to says the Doge community was thrilled over the weekend when many people noticed that Elon Musk, whom they call the Doge Father, had changed his profile image on Twitter to one of him wearing sunglasses that have a Shiba Inu dog in the reflection. That's pretty cool, man, how he did that. Now it says following the profile picture change, the price of Dogecoin got a slight boost, but has since fallen down, shedding all of its weekend gains. The Doge price, the theme of writing was at 17 cents, where we're currently at now, guys. You know what I mean? Then it goes on to talk about, you know what I mean, when his son, you know, when he did that tweet talking about his son HODLing, and he never once talked about selling. All right, guys. So now let's get into a little bit more news here. Now I wanted to talk about the Coinbase, how they're getting sued, guys. Right now, I think this is important. Why? Because I actually did this campaign as well, right? I bought $100 worth of Doge. I traded. I already had some cryptocurrency on Coinbase, right? I just traded some $100 worth to hopefully win, right, guys? But I don't think anybody's even won anything, right? Or anyways, this goes on to explain why the person's suing Coinbase. It says Coinbase sued over Dogecoin sweepstakes ad campaign. A Coinbase user has filed a class action lawsuit, $5 million in damages because of an allegedly misleading Dogecoin campaign, and it was pretty misleading, guys. Once I read into this and kind of studied it up, it kind of was. In the legal document, David Susky, the plaintiff, said he was deceived into trading $100 of Dogecoin for an entry into a 1.2 million sweepstakes offer on Coinbase. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I tried to join it as well, and I'm pretty sure there was millions of other people that did it as well, right? Kind of got bamboozled by Coinbase. It says the document claims that Coinbase failed to communicate that a person could enter the sweepstakes without purchasing $100 of Dogecoin. Right? I was under the impression that you had to. The first day Dogecoin was available for trade on Coinbase, June 3rd, 2021, the company sent out an email to users about the sweepstakes stating, trade Doge, win Doge. The email had detailed on how to enter through trading, or if a person was to go onto separate rules and detail page, they would find out you could also enter by sending Coinbase on a 3.5-inch index card. The index card needed to have the customer's name, address, email, phone, and date of birth written on it in order to enter. Now it says that in the document, the plaintiff alleges the campaign promotion, the sweepstakes, was misleading because anyone could enter free. I thought it was free. I thought you had to pay $100, guys, free of charge by mailing in an index card with the required information. It then alleges that the advertisement for sweepstakes was designed to deceive and confuse the plaintiff and other customers into trading 100 of Dogecoin in order to qualify for entry. To be honest, that's what I thought myself as well, guys. So I truly thought you had to spend $100 one way or another, whether it was traded or buy it on Coinbase in order to qualify. Then it goes to say, Dogecoin in order to qualify for entry. The document also said that if ads were made clear about a 100% free entry option, the plaintiff would have not given Coinbase $100 or paid the commission for the trade to acquire Dogecoin. Exactly, guys. I wouldn't have made a trade, right? I would have just did nothing, right? And then just tried to win that way. But they did kind of bamboozle us, guys, to be honest, right? It's in the little fine print that you never see, right? That is so tiny you need freaking a magnifying glass to see it. It says the class action complaint states the only reason the plaintiff undertook to buy more Dogecoin from Coinbase was because the company led him to believe that doing so was the necessary to enter Coinbase 1.2 billion sweepstakes. And I agree, guys. I'm not trying to sue them, right? But maybe we'll get something out of it. I don't know. But I agree, because I truly believe, guys, that they kind of bamboozled us into believing that you had to spend $100. Now, just think about all the millions of people that did that in order to try to win this 1.2 million in Doge. You know what I mean? So whatever. All right, guys. Now that is all that I had for as far as Doge goes. Now I want to get into a little bit of crypto news and Bitcoin, right, guys? Let me see, how much time do I got? All right, I'll be like 1 or 2 minutes. I just want to show you the quick articles, right, to show you guys, regardless of Bitcoin going down, right, below the 30K, you know, that the markets are still bullish over cryptocurrency in general, guys. You know what I mean? And that crypto is here to stay no matter what. There's nothing that people are going to do to be able to change it, right? Where's it at? I had it saved in here. Oh, here, saved. Duh. Okay, so now you have Jamie Dimon, who is a part of JP Morgan, right? He was talking good about Bitcoin, bad about Bitcoin. You know what I mean? This dude is confused, right? Now, it says U.S. mega JP Morgan to hire more blockchain talent. Why, guys? Because they know that the world is going towards cryptocurrency, towards blockchain, digital assets. It is here to stay. That is the point that I'm trying to show you, that no matter what, right, they can spread so much FUD. There can be bearish sentiment around Bitcoin and crypto, but at the end of the day, it's going nowhere. It's here to stay. Yeah, the price might go down. Like Kathy Woods had mentioned, guys, I need to put that video up. She said, right, Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency got cut in half, right? The price got 50% cut off, right? It went from 2 trillion to 1 trillion. Now just think about that. If that was to happen to the major Wall Street, if Wall Street was to get cut in half, right? Literally, the price was to get cut in half, what would happen? There would be mayhem, right? There would be, it would, the point I'm making is cryptocurrency stood its ground even though 50% of its freaking money got cut and taken away, right, from losses. And it's still here standing, and Bitcoin is still trading at 29,000. It is still up 300% from where it was at last year. A lot of people don't realize that. That's why I say, when in doubt, zoom out. 300%. You still would have made 300% gains, guys, if you would have bought a year ago and hodled for a whole year. Till now, you would still be up 300%, regardless of it falling and losing 50%. All right, guys. Now, I had another article here. All right, I'm going to close out with this. Now, it says, come on, article. Hurry up. Now, it says JP Morgan's wealth management CEO affirms most clients view Bitcoin as an asset class. Right, guys? Now, all these major banks, guys, whether they want to come out and admit it or not, they like Bitcoin. Their customers want Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and it isn't going anywhere. Now it goes, JP Morgan's head of wealth management, Mary E. Rose, has said clients are increasingly viewing Bitcoin as an asset class to invest in. Speaking to Bloomberg, E. Rose noted that the banking giant's goal is to guide clients to put their money where they need it, while maintaining the venture into cryptocurrency is a personal choice. A lot of our clients, this is her speaking, right? She says, a lot of our clients say that that's an asset class and I want to invest. And our job is to help them put their money where they want to invest, E. Rose said. She adds that the bank does not have Bitcoin as an asset class, but the store of value status will be tested over time. E. Rose implied that the current Bitcoin volatility is among JP Morgan's reservations. Time will tell whether it it has the store value, but the volatility you see in it today just has to play itself out, she added. All right, guys, now this is what I had for you guys. Hopefully you found this video informative and useful. If you did, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Maybe give your boy a fat thumbs up. I appreciate the love. You guys stay tuned and stay blessed. Until tomorrow, I will be dropping another video about Doge and the overall crypto markets. Peace out, guys.